Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make fluff fruit salad. Now you can do this in any flavor you like. You need a box of 3 ounces of jello mix. But I'm going to do pistachio, so let me show you what I have. I've got a can of, mixed fruit. I have 1 can of crushed pineapple. I have 1 small can of mandarin oranges, and like I said, I'm using pistachio jello, that's 3 ounces. And you need 2 cups of tiny marshmallows. Now, most recipes have white. I decided to get the ones with the fruity colors because I thought it would look prettier, so it's orange, strawberry, lemon, lime. You need 2 bananas, and you need 12 ounces of Cool Whip. Those Cool Whips come in 8-ounce containers, so I'm going to use 1 full one and then a half a cup of another one. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. I like to upload 2 videos a week and include 1 inspirational quote and tell a joke at the end. And I forgot to tell you that lemon is there because I'm going to use some of that to keep the bananas from turning brown, because you know when you add bananas to different things, after a couple days they turn brown and that's not really appealing. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, I've got everything all set up. I just wanted to show you, I used my little strainer to make sure I removed all the juice or liquid out of the fruit. The only fruit you don't want to drain is the crushed pineapple. And this is fruit cocktail or mixed fruit, whatever you want to call it. So I'm starting with 1 3-ounce package of pistachio jello mix. And like I said, most people use orange. That's very, very common, but I'm going to do pistachio. And to that you add 1 full can of the crushed pineapple to that with the juice and everything included. And then you just mix that together. Get this well combined. This is a really great fast summer dessert or anytime dessert. You can make this and have it ready in 2 to 4 hours. I'm going to let mine sit for 4. And you can probably add any kind of fruit you like. Something brown in it. Take that out. It's probably in the pineapple. And stir this up and you get this very well mixed. And then to this, you just add, I don't know why this pineapple, it looks like it's got seeds in there. I apologize. So I'm pulling these out because they do not look appealing and they don't feel soft as I touch them. So yeah, I'm just getting this mixed together. And wow, I don't know if I'm gonna go with that crushed pineapple again. That was dough. I'm finding these little black little things in here. So you need 2 cups of marshmallows, and like I said, I'm using the different color. Most recipes call for the white, but I thought it would look pretty with the tri-color or quadruple colored marshmallow. So you need 2 cups. So that's 1, and then you need 2. And I've already put a little bit of lemon juice on my bananas. So I'm going to add the bananas to that. That's to keep them from going brown if you don't eat this in the next day or 2. And then I have mandarin oranges. I'm going to add that to it. And then I have my fruit cocktail. And I did buy the fruit cocktail with extra cherries because most of the time it doesn't come with that many. And see how simple this is? And like I said, this can be ready in 2 to 4 hours. Now I wasn't looking, I bought 1 original Cool Whip and 1 extra creamy. I don't think it'll make a difference. So one of these, they're 8 ounces a piece. So it asks for 12 ounces in this recipe. And it's 8 ounces in a cup. So what I'm gonna do is add 1 full one to this, 1 complete container. And then to the second one, I'm gonna take out a half a cup, and that will equal 12 ounces. And at that point, you mix it together and you put it in the refrigerator, and then you're all set and ready to go. Let's get this open. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I upload 2 videos a week. I enjoy making videos, but I really don't like to cook, and that's a half a cup. So that should be 12 ounces. And all the times I've made this, all the recipes call for 12 ounces. I've never been able to find Cool Whip in 12 ounces. So if you guys know where I can get that, let me know. So you see there it is, and you just start mixing this all together. And this is pistachio fruit fluff. And like I said, most people, it's usually orange. And you can add more fruit cocktail if you like, more mandarin orange if you like, but make sure you strain it very, very, very well. You just get this all mixed together, making sure I'm not finding any of those little black hard things that have come in the pineapple. Yeah, this is the dough crushed pineapple. It looks like they're, from what they appear to be and what they feel like, is the little black parts off of the pineapple before it's peeled and ready to eat. That's what they look like to me, and they feel like. So I apologize, I'm pulling those out because I'm kind of picky like that. And plus, like I said, it'd be something hard to bite into. You can add coconut to this if you like. My husband doesn't like coconut, so I'm gonna leave coconut out. And you can definitely add nuts to this if you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue mixing this up and then come back and show you what this looks like. Okay, everyone, there you have it. This is Pistachio Fluff Fruit Salad. Now let me tell you my joke. A lady travels to prison to see her husband who has recently been condemned to 40 years in prison. As soon as she enters the visiting room, she hugs him and exclaims with tears in her eyes, "Oh honey, 40 years, oh God." And the husband replies, "Well, my love, what are you going to do?" She says, "Oh honey, I spoke to the judge handling your case. And what did he say, my love? He told me for every time that I make love with him, he will reduce your sentence by 1 year." The husband says, "What a miserable bastard. What did you say to that SOB? "Well, honey, we'll talk about that at home. Pick up your stuff, let's go." You get it? She already slept with him 40 times, so she got her husband out of prison. Well, that's my video. That's my joke. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, as I said. This is something really easy. It is absolutely delicious. It's got to get cold. I've eaten a good 4 tablespoons of it. You can add, I almost added white chocolate chips to this, just for a little crunch of some sort, because most people add coconut, but like I said, my husband does not like coconut, so I omitted that, and I just figured I'd stick to what he likes. So once again, thanks for watching. My name is Jennifer, and I hope to see you on the next one. Have a good evening, and God bless.